Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the sound output of your videos of your project basically in CapCut PC. So for instance, you're not hearing the audio that's on your CapCut app. Select menu and select settings. Select performance, go to sound output and make sure you have the correct one. My one is already correct. It's on the speakers Realtek high definition one. So I'm just going to select that one and I'm going to press save. Or maybe it's from your volume bar here as well. Select the sound output and select the correct one. And hopefully it will, well, you'll be able to hear the audio now. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.